Speech-emotion recognition is the task of recognizing the emotional state of the speaker from a speech signal. One potential field of application for speech-emotion recognition is the study of the effect of parental proximity and communication to the early cognitive development of preterm infants. A crucial aspect in this type of research is the analysis of the emotional content of speech that infants hear during intensive care at a hospital. However, manual analysis of emotions in speech is highly time-consuming and expensive. Therefore, an automatic system is essentially required for performing large-scale emotional speech analysis. In addition, such a system does not currently exist for child-centered audio in the Finnish language, which is the target language of the present experiments. In the present study, we developed a speech-emotion recognition system for valence and arousal classification for adult speech analysis in child-centered audio recordings. These initially unannotated real-life recordings were recorded at the bedside of preterm babies at the Neonatal intensive care unit of Turku University Hospital, Finland. The data consists of 688 hours of audio in total, containing approximately 56 hours of speech for a little under 130,000 utterances. With a good performance, the developed model can be directly applied to the scientific study of child development. Also, the present study is one of the few studies in which speech-emotion recognition is applied to real-world large-scale data. Furthermore, the absence of in-domain annotations and massive scale of the dataset raises the question of how to deploy a speech-emotion recognition system most effectively for this kind of real-world large-scale dataset. In the study, we compare cross-corpus generalization and state-of-the-art active learning and domain adaptation methods in the task. These methods have rarely been compared to each other directly, let alone in the context of speech-emotion recognition. For a binary classification for valence, the best performing model was an SVM classifier using active learning with a performance level of 73.4% unweighted average recall. For a binary classification for arousal, the best performing model was a neural network that was first trained with the MODB emotional speech corpus and then adapted to the target corpus using domain adaptation with a performance level of 73.2% unweighted average recall. Overall, active learning is the most consistent performer across the studied conditions, even though somewhat better arousal results are obtained by particular configurations of cross-corpus generalization and domain adaptation. All in all, the results show that emotion analysis for Daylong audio recordings is possible with an accuracy comparable to those reported in earlier literature.